Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Steam channel dedicated to the world of automobiles. Today, we have an absolute treat for all you car enthusiasts out there. The highly anticipated 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. Brace yourselves for an exhilarating journey as we delve deep into the intricate details of this compact yet formidable powerhouse. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, we kindly request you to graciously subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell, ensuring you remain up to date with the latest in automotive excellence. Without further ado, let's embark on this captivating voyage. Immerse yourself in a world of sophistication, where every detail has been meticulously crafted. The Elantra's captivating design commands attention with its wide stance, striking predator-like grille, and aerodynamically optimized air intakes that exude an aura of performance. No ordinary sedan, the Elantra seamlessly blends power with poise. Imagine the iconic Bruce Wayne embodying brilliance and elegance, rather than relying on bold, attention-grabbing statements. The LED daytime running lights, finely honed like precision laser beams, illuminate the path ahead, ensuring optimal visibility and safety. The meticulously designed wheels not only enhance aesthetics, but also enhance the Elantra's aerodynamic prowess, slicing through the air with precision. And let's not forget the discreet yet distinctive end badges that hint at the hidden power within. Choose your expression with confidence. Opt for the daring performance blue or the timeless shadow gray. The Elantra allows you to customize your ride, reflecting your unique style and individuality. Step into the refined cockpit of the 2024 Elantra N, where performance seamlessly merges with innovation. Let's start with the meticulously crafted N-specific bolstered seats, providing optimal comfort and unwavering support. Embrace the adrenaline as you envision navigating those exhilarating corners. Complementing the seats is an exquisitely designed steering wheel, intelligently placing every function within your reach, while tasteful red accents instill a sense of passion and racing heritage. However, the pursuit of utmost comfort does not take a backseat. Find solace in a spacious cabin, adorned with premium materials and thoughtfully designed to offer generous legroom. This interior is not merely a track-oriented marvel, it personifies your daily companion, effortlessly blending performance and practicality. Now, let's delve into the technological marvels within. Stay well-informed with the cutting-edge digital instrument cluster, delivering comprehensive performance data at a glance. Seamlessly navigate your journey with the advanced infotainment system, seamlessly integrating Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for unparalleled connectivity. Embrace convenience with voice control, effortlessly commanding the car's functionalities to cater to your every need. Furthermore, rely on the intelligent navigation system to guide you along every intricate path. With the 2024 Elantra N, you are not just experiencing a magnificent vehicle, you are commanding your connected hub of control and connectivity. Now, let's delve into the impressive performance of the vehicle. Nestled beneath the hood lies a formidable 2.0 liters turbocharged four-cylinder engine, generating a remarkable output of 276 horsepower and 289 pound-feet of torque. These figures enable the Elantra N to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 5.3 seconds, showcasing its formidable acceleration prowess. However, the Elantra isn't solely focused on straight-line speed. It exhibits exceptional handling capabilities, accompanied by precise and responsive steering, ensuring a dynamic driving experience. Moreover, the inclusion of high-performance Brembo brakes further enhances the vehicle's stopping power. To add an extra touch of exhilaration, the Elantra N even features an N-grin shift button, enabling a temporary power boost for exciting overtakes and invigorating daily commutes. The Elantra N's fuel economy may not be its strongest attribute, with an estimated combined mileage of around 22 mph. However, in exchange for this compromise in efficiency, you gain impressive performance capabilities. With a starting price anticipated to be approximately $36,000, the Elantra N holds its own against competitors in this segment, while some rivals may offer a more extensive list of standard features at the same price point. The Elantra N's performance prowess makes it a compelling option for driving enthusiasts. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N effortlessly combines high-performance capabilities and refined daily driving manners. Its impressive performance and precise handling make it an ideal choice for car enthusiasts looking for a sporty sedan. While the interior materials could be further improved and the fuel economy might not be exceptional, The Elantra N offers an unbeatable package at its price point. Whether you're commuting or indulging in track adventures, the Elantra N proves to be a compelling choice for those seeking a balance between everyday practicality and exhilarating performance. As we conclude our in-depth exploration of the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N, it becomes increasingly apparent that this vehicle transcends mere transportation. It is an embodiment of exhilaration and dynamism. From its visually striking design to its formidable performance capabilities and cutting-edge technological features, the Elantra N stands unyielding as a dominant presence within the realm of compact sports cars. We eagerly await your insights on this automotive marvel. Kindly share your thoughts in the comments section below, and kindly show your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up if you found this video captivating. See you in the next automotive adventure video.